Hey guys, Candice from Crema Coffee Garage here. One of the most common questions we receive from our Jura Professional machine owners is how extensive is the upkeep and cleaning of the machine going to be? Today I'm going to show you not only how easy it is to clean and maintain your automatic machine, but how vital it is to the longevity of your machine, and most importantly, the quality of your end result, which is an awesome tasting coffee. For those of you who don't know, coffee is 98% water, so naturally using a high quality water is essential. Jura Claris water filters work with the intelligent water system to purify water and reduce hardness, creating perfect coffee for your office. Now, depending on your make and model of the machine will depict the filter that you need to use. They range from the Claris Pro White, Claris Pro Blue, the Claris Pro Smart, and the new Claris Pro Smart Maxi, which has been specifically designed by Jura for high coffee consumption with professional machines. The smart filters use the RFID technology, which is the radio frequency identification technology for those of you playing at home, allowing the coffee machine to continually monitor the filter. The machine will recognize when the filter has been inserted, activate automatically, and will then prompt you when it needs to be replaced. Using filters consistently and correctly will ensure maximum machine protection against limescale buildup, ensuring that you never have to descale your machine. Jura makes cleaning in their professional coffee machines super easy, with all machines equipped with a zero maintenance self-cleaning brewing unit. The brewing unit pushes the coffee puck into the grounds container. Simultaneously, the vacuum brewing unit draws the remaining liquid out of the pipes and then dispenses them into the internal tray. The Jura two-phase cleaning tablets are specifically designed for the maintenance of your Jura coffee machine and maintain the highest standards in hygiene. The first phase is the cleaning. The special formula effectively loosens the coffee fat and particles in the brewing unit and the sieve. The water is heated to 80 degrees Celsius and then thoroughly rinses those components on the inside and the outside. Phase 2 is protection. Special active ingredients seal the surfaces of the corresponding components and protect them from coffee residue and fat in the long term. Now, the machine will prompt you when a cleaning cycle is detected as being needed, which is roughly every 150 coffees. The result is a hygienically clean coffee machine, fully ready for perfect coffee quality. Jura Milk Line Cleaner was designed to gently break down and remove milk fat and residues from inside the machine and the outer parts, such as the milk spout. It is essential that the milk line is cleaned on a regular basis. This is to ensure the highest levels of hygiene and to ensure the production of a really high quality milk. Some of the Jura Professional machines even have the set and forget function, which means you only need to set up your container with your Jura Milk Line Cleaner solution, start the milk line cleaning process, and it will take care of the rest. Hence, set and forget. It is also highly important to remove and rinse your milk spouts on a regular basis to ensure there is no residual milk buildup that can progress to unwanted blockages in your milk spouts. Jura highly recommend the use of filters in their coffee machines, especially for the high-use professional machines. However, if you do choose not to use filters in your machine, the Jura descaling tablets are phosphate-free and were specifically designed by Jura to remove scale and extend the service life of your automatic coffee machine. These simple-to-use tablets will remove scale and prevent the buildup of limescale deposits, which could eventually slow down the heating process, forcing that machine to then use more energy, and then eventually it could even break down. It also creates an unpleasant taste in the water and can affect the quality of the coffee your machine then produces. Now, it is important to empty out and clean the grounds container and the drip tray when prompted or on a regular basis, so as to avoid any moisture buildup which could result in mold appearing inside your machine. The machine will also benefit from cleaning out behind the drip tray and wiping over the sensors. A common mistake that we see is our customers pouring their full drip tray of wastewater out over these sensors, and then the machine struggles to register when the tray has been reinserted. It is therefore safest to always empty your tray out away from these sensors. These sensors register when the drip tray and grounds container are both present, and the machine will cease to work if they are not detected. So therefore, using a dry cloth or even a brush is perfect for cleaning out any dry grounds that may be loose behind the trays. At Crema, we tell our customers that a machine is quite like your car. An annual service is recommended to ensure everything is in order, but it is the regular TLC that it receives from you on a daily basis that will ensure that your machine is making beautiful cups of coffee for many years to come. If you have any more questions about cleaning your Europrofessional machine, you can find a link to our website below, or you can reach out to us on social media if you like. Don't forget to check out the videos on our full range of Europrofessional machines. Thanks, guys.